First 5. Share the live, share the live.
Thank you.
2 points. Rivera. Foul called. Who's foul? Rivera, no good.
Sino yung foul, Flash?
Si
Basic, 75. Yung kay Sandang kay Andy, bibig mamay.
Miranda.
Okay, first 5. Shooting versus
Miranda. To number 13. No good. Ayan na. Wolf. Wolf pa din. Wolf.
Takpin tayo.
Steal. Dark ball. 14 to shoot.
Okay.
Ayan na nga. Uy! Papinero. 3.
Uy, ang ganda doon.
Papi.
Airborne na.
Papinero. Bago lang hairstyle, di mo na kilala. Ayan na. No good. Ayan, ganda na pasa niyan. 2 points.
14 to shoot. Basket
No count. May foul pala.
No good.
Number 2.
Big rebound.
Same foul? Number 21. Papelero.
500 shooting.
Pakibilang nga, kung 500, 600 na tayo.
Uy. 3.
Miranda. Out of bounds.
Uy, konti lang na.
Here goes Paul.
Arjet.
Paul setting the play. To Rivera. Traveling violation.
Sada. Good. Score.
Wolf. Pass break. To buy. Papaya, pre. Still. Here goes Rivera. Rivera 2. Ito, spin. Binale. Binale. 2 points.
Position number 33. Position number 1.
Si, hindi ko.
14 to shoot.
Nakabaliktad si t-shirt.
3 points by jersey number 5.
Papelero step. Back. 3 no good.
And it's RJ. RJ review the ball. 14 to shoot. To Lusada. Foul, jersey number 28. That is your first personal foul. First team foul.
No good. There's a foul called. Number 9.
Easy basket para naman kay jersey number 23. Michael
Miranda.
Shout out kay Nico. Share the line.
Pull out. No good. Agawa ng bola. Wolf is there. Wolf. No good. Rivera. Easy daw. Rivera to Paul. Paul waiting for his teammate.
Score 9-4.
Last 6 minutes.
Favored by shooting.
Asan si...
Rivera. No good.
Tawagin mo nga si Wilson.
Out of bounds.
Papelero to number 0. 2 points.
And that's jersey number 5.
Daming zero dito
Holloway. Score 11-4. Napako sa 4.
0-6 ko na yung bet.
Paul.
Wilson.
0-6. Sorry. Paul. Rivera.
For 3. Wala.
Rivera sumide step. Ayan na. 2 points yan. Nakabutas na si Rivera.
Lakson again. 10 to shoot. Uy, in and out. Sayang. Ayan na si jersey number 20. Si basket. Palakas down.
Here goes Miranda. 10 to shoot.
Adjel sumalaksak.
Foul ball. Foul ball. Number 6.
Last 19 seconds.
Number 13. Miranda. 10 to shoot.
Nandun si Lacson.
Papelero. No good. Rebound by Rivera.
Lima pa ang Paramount. 11-6. Jersey number 5.
Paul.
Ay, sayang.
Paul pa din. Ayan na. Number 9. Who's foul? Wolf. First.
Shoot. Score 11-8 lamang ang shootings.
3. The 3-point play is brought to you by Kings Basketball. Papelero. Miranda. Miranda sumagot agad yan.
Right to the border.
3 points.
Bola na. Shooting.
Best Ace 330 no?
Paul. No good. Rebound by number 13. Intercepts by Paul.
Jersey number 3.
Here goes. Number 6. Floater, no good. Nakuha yung number 9. Napulot pa din yung number 6. Ayun na, pinasa ulit. Number 9. No good. Ikaw ng bola. Wolf is there. Wolf is there. 3-1. Miranda, binali pa. Kinabila. 2 points.
By Fernandez Romero is watching. To Adjel.
Paul setting the play. Rivera. Rivera to number 6. Number 6. No good. Rebound by Wolf.
Ayan na si Jersey number 28.
Wolf pa din yan. Wolf. Dumiretso. Wolf. No good. Offensive rebound. Uy! Managawa ng kakampi. 10 to shoot. Papelero. Miranda. 5 to shoot. Number 13. Long 3. No good. Rebound by number 6. Number 6.
Jersey number 19.
Dumiretso. Dumiretso, number 6. 2 points. Score natin 11-12.
First personal foul. Second team foul.
Ayan na. Wala. Rebound by Paul.
Second ball shot. Shout out to Romeo.
Number 9.
Wala pa rin.
Number 9. Drop pass. Sa kanya pa din.
Ayan na si RJ.
No good. Rebound by Wolf. Papelero. Papelero. 2 points.
Ayan si Lixala. Huli-huli. Laksan. Laksan.
Ingat.
RJ. RJ sasalaksa. Bounce pass inside to Losada. Wala. Foul. Jersey number 5.
14.
First personal foul. Second team foul.
10.
10 to shoot.
Pasok ang unang tira ni Losada. Second ball shot.
Second team foul.
Pasok again.
Rivera. Good pass. Hindi na salo. Kabila.
Shooting.
No good.
14-10.
Papelero naman yan. Uy.
Wala pa rin.
There's a foul called. Number 6. Second personal foul. Number 6.
Ayun si RJ. Kitang-kita. Easy basket pa.
Second team foul. 2 shots. For Papelero.
Shooter. Jersey number 5.
First shot is good.
Spin. Good shot. RJ. Score 16-12.
Si Wolf na kayo sa
No good.
Switching number 19. 15 seconds. 10. 5.
Cut-clock sabihin mo.
Good for last one. Last 35 seconds.
Miranda. 2 points.
Jersey number 28. Magaling. Last 30 seconds.
Rivera setting the play.
Open to shoot.
Besh! 175 yun ha.
Oy!
Listen.
Post.
175.
5 to shoot.
Time out kami, time out.
No good.
Time out!
5 seconds.
17 yung oras.
2.
Laro.
Then ball lang tayo.
End of the first quarter.
Okay, back to the ball game.
11, 17.
7. End of the first quarter. Score 20-14. Aning ang Calamba.
Uy, number 6, no good. Angulo. Angulo to Kobe. Intercepts.
Okay,
Ano?
second 5.
Ano?
Ala, ba't yung naka-blue?
No good.
Saudi. Pasok na.
Next. Next.
3 points, no good. Alejo. Setting the play. Alejo. Bypass there. Intercepts. And here goes number 26. Easy 2 points yan. Number 26.
Go, bola, bola.
That's Bantik.
Okay. Ayan.
Number 6 to number 1. Floater, no good.
Walang puti yung under one.
Darkman siya.
Here is sir. 2 points by Jersey number 26.
Ay, naka-blue.
Just do it.
Ayan, si Jersey number 14 to Wilson. Pupukol. Airball. Ayan, nagmamadali. Uy, set.
Alejo, 14 to shoot.
Score 24-14.
Line ball.
Line ball.
Unang kalamangan ng shoot.
Bisaya, tanan.
Jersey number 8, side step.
Ayun
14 to
pala
shoot.
eh.
Uy, kitang-kita yun.
Angulo.
Ayan, nagmamadali.
Kobe.
Number 14.
Uy, ganda ng lipad.
Sumay rin.
Grabe naman yan. Puro rookie ang player ni Kuya.
Sayang. Malas.
Here goes number 19 to number 6. Alejo, 14 to shoot.
Score 24-14.
Foul called.
Foul.
Angulo,
Jersey number
first personal foul.
Second team.
7.
Second team foul.
Jersey number 7, that is your first personal foul, first team foul.
Upside.
Lozada, post.
Uy, number 6, lumipad. Rebound by Kobe. Kobe being harassed. Kickball violation. Si Kobe.
Nagmamadali. Kuha pa rin.
Upside. Ayan na.
Ayan na,
Wala.
si Guy. Uy,
Offensive rebound yan. Wala pa din.
wala.
Upside.
Sumay
Drop
rin.
pass. Connect.
Nagmamadali sila
Sino
rin.
ano, Besh?
Mayroon na
Number 1.
Yan.
lifting
Sino
violation.
nagpalit ng t-shirt?
Kitang-kita nila.
Angulo.
Hindi pa nakakapagtos si Wilson.
Kobe. 3 seconds violation.
Pasok again para kay jersey number 26.
Upside to number 1.
Score 26.
To number 21. Floater. And it's good. 2-point play.
Good for
That's
Wilson.
number 21. Renante.
Wilson. Ayan na naman. Kaasa-
Kobe. No good.
Jersey number 21.
Rebound by offside.
14 to shoot.
Number 6. Good defense by Angulo. Last
Basket. Para kay Mayroon. Time out! Shoot it.
upside. Number 6. Flow. Long three. No good. Rebound by Bantik to Angulo. Angulo to Bantik. Kobe is there. Oops.
Good, 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 good!
Okay, back to the ball game.
Same ball.
Pasok na mga kaibigan.
Good yun. Paa pa lang ha.
Oo, hindi ganun.
Buti sana kung ano, kasama ang bola.
Ready?
Yung isang katawan.
Upside. No good.
Sana ang kasama yung bola.
Renante. Renante pa din. Renante! And one play.
Binyas.
Binias. First personal foul.
Ay, nakuha na naman.
13 foul.
14. Foul. Jersey number.
Renante 3-point play is good.
Ang hirap. Anong number mo? 9. Jersey number 9, that is your first personal foul.
Number 13. No good.
Post.
We won by number 1.
Jersey number 21.
Upside setting the play.
First personal foul, 13 foul.
Oh, here goes Renante. Power move. Power move. And one play na naman yan para kay Renante.
Why? Tumalaksa again.
Bonus shot. No good. Angulo sa gitna. Bantig.
Wala si Mary.
Foul Renante.
Mary na.
First personal foul.
Lusada.
First team foul.
Wala doon pala si Tipoy.
Bantig.
Apak na lang.
First shot is good.
Score 26-22. In favor by Shoot. Itira ng 3. Score. Wala.
No good. Offensive rebound by Angulo. Timeout! Kill Brits.
Lapit sa bola, lapit!
Wala pa rin, malas.
Number 1.
Lusada.
Good pass. Good defense by Angulo.
Time out!
Bantig. 2 points.
Time out, Wilson.
Sino nakatupan?
Bantig. Renante.
Oy, 25 lang.
Number 1. No good. 20-25. Bantige. Turnover. Saldua.
Appear. Saltua. Appear.
Upside. Uy. Dark ball.
The big guy. Wala pa rin. Pass break.
Less than a minute
Ay,
remaining.
malakas yan. Oy, tuwang-
Angulo. Foul. Alejo.
15 to shoot.
First personal foul. Second team foul.
Pasok.
2 shots for Binias.
Wala si Mary. 55 seconds.
First shot, no good.
Big guy. Set back. Ayan. Easy na naman. Ayan na si Appear.
Second shot, no good. Offensive rebound na naman yan. Here goes. Kobe Lumipad. 2 points.
35 seconds. Ganda jumper, jump shot naman yun. Easy jump shot. Last
Upside.
5 seconds.
Offensive rebound by number 1. Sa kanila pa din. And
Out of bounds.
end of the
Last 15
second
seconds.
quarter. No back.
Okay. Wilson ang point.
Paul. Setting the play.
RJ.
Sino ang-
RJ. Point.
JV.
Wilson.
No good. Sa kanya pa din yan. JV. 2 points.
Ayan na, si Wilson ang good pass.
Yung bagong pasok. Number 10. Number 01.
Jersey number 0.
Kobe. No good. Fast break to Paul.
Jersey number 13.
2 points by Paul. 24-27. Tatlo na lang yan.
Shootex.
Here goes Kobe
The manager.
to Kuya.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Kuya Asi to Kobe. 10 to shoot.
Wala.
There's a foul called.
Second bonus shot para kay Wilson.
Who's foul? Number 7.
First.
Ready for the jumper.
Ref, adjust konti.
Number 39, jersey number 5.
Papelero, nilapag. 2 points yan. Papelero, 2 points.
Easy basket para kay Ligwete.
Paul setting the play. JV. Sa corner. No good. Rebound by Dance. Pass break to Papelero again. Papelero. No good. Ay, there's a foul call.
The manager, the coach. That is your second personal foul.
Kuis.
Second team foul.
No good.
Wala.
Rebound by. Agawan ng bola. Nakuha ni Dance. Si Dance. 2 points.
Pasok. Jersey number 19.
Paul setting the play.
Jersey number 17. Sakali Wete. The Alan Predict. Jersey number 5.
Paul.
Easy basket.
No good.
Ay, wala.
Ay, nagulangan. JB, 2 points.
Bounce pass. Sayang. Ayan na si Jersey
Lima
number
na lang yan.
again. Uy! Sayang.
Wolf.
Tumusok.
Wolf.
Ano?
Wolf. 2 points.
Wolf.
RJ. Step back. Titira ng tres. Decided siya naman tumira.
Paul, babawi.
Sayang.
JB.
Akala ko ako na ang bahala.
No good. Kuis is there.
Reserve.
Kuis, dinerecho. Ay. May pang story na.
Tres for 3. Malakas lang. Kaliwete.
Uy. Abot yun 10 years ago.
Sobra. 5 minutes.
Score natin 35-26.
Running for take. Or referee.
Kuis to Kobe. Ayan na. Uy, Dance is there. 14 to shoot. Kobe. No good. Rebound by JB. JB. JB pa din. No good.
Number 5.
Here goes Kobe. Uy! Traveling tayo dyan. Overspeeding ka doon.
10 to shoot. Ayun, nakitang-kita. Pasok. Ayun, jersey number 19.
Here goes Paul.
Makalali. Uy!
Paul to Kuis.
Kita naman ng ganda ng
Ayan na, JB. Pull out. Perimeter. 2 points.
jersey number 5.
7 na lang yan.
Shot. Foul. May kasama pong foul. Time out. Wilson.
Kuis.
Who's fouled up?
Kuis.
Si jersey number 20. Salvi.
Steal.
Counted foul.
Paul to JB. Intercepts ulit. Paul pa din. JB naman yan. Fake. JB making his space. Good. Sa kabila yun. Papelero.
Pasok para sa bonus shot.
Kuis. No good. Here goes. Rivera. There's a foul call. Who's foul?
Medina. Nagdadalang bola. Set the play. 40 to shoot.
First shot. No good.
Natake. There! Tuwaje, titira ng tres. Rodriguez.
Baba!
Jersey number 28. Nagmamadali. Jersey number 28. Jump shot. No good.
Asi.
Tawag ka. Tatlo! Wala pa.
Medina.
Hindi nga nag-titi.
Foul call.
RJ.
Rivera. Third.
Sayang.
Pangupit kasi! Pangupit!
Medina. Easy basket.
Asi to Dance. No good. Rebound by Paul. Paul. Good defense by Wolf. Makakalabas kaya. Last touch, Wolf. 17 to shoot.
Ganda naman.
17 seconds to shoot.
Score 38-34. Apat pa rin ang kalamangan na shoot.
Ayan na.
39 na yun. 39 na.
So,
Paul.
39-34.
No good. Dance court to court.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Pinasa.
Wala. Rebound JB numbers 9. The shit.
JB.
The manager.
JB.
The coach.
2 points. Tayo nakashoot eh.
Ayun yung water break.
14 shoot. The water boy.
Advance timeout.
Water boy. Mag-water boy pa sa water boy.
5 na lang, 5. Ayan na.
Oh.
Uy. Ang pangalan ni Kuya?
42 shoot. Side step.
Nagindo.
Pasok. Lusot na lusot.
Steal.
30. Number 24.
Dance pa din yan. Dance. Grabe yun. Uy.
42 shoot.
Nagindo. Steal.
Number 34.
Dance pa din yan. Dance. Grabe yun. Court to court.
Uwete.
Ay, court to court.
Uwete. Uy! Naiwan si Maylina.
Let's go.
Score 44-36. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds.
JB, perimeter. In and out.
Bumabantay.
Push.
10 to shoot.
Pavillero.
Uy, nakalusot si Kabase. Wala pa.
No good.
Si Lacson.
Atake!
Ball.
Lacson.
Rivera.
Pangrodina.
There's a foul called. Timeout. Pulis.
There's number 28. Wala. Uy. Sudet, the manager, the coach, the water boy. That is your third personal foul.
the coach, the water boy. The shooter.
Shooter na.
Ah,
Bassett. First throw.
Rivera, second shot. And it's good.
Last throw tayo, last ball shot. Last
Babasaan yung mga laman ng kuya.
Five!
As he's setting the play. Wala. Sa kanya pa din. 10 to shoot.
Score, 46,
Vinias, pull up.
lamang pa rin.
Vinias 2 points. Also game.
Dalawa pa, dalawa.
Ito.
That's number 77 to Ray.
Okay, back to the ball game.
3 ba yun?
10 seconds. 77, 3 points.
Okay, Jonathan. Ayan.
5 seconds.
This is the last quarter.
Ayay, na-foul ka ba?
Fourth quarter. Dito na tayo magkakaala.
Warning for penalty. Foul. Asi. End of the...
Lusada. Lusada, that is your first personal foul. First team foul. Second
Anim.
quarter shot.
JB.
Uy, pasok.
Foul called Angulo.
Lacson, Marina again. 15 to shoot. Pupukol si Wilson. Wala. Nandun si Lacson.
Number 6. Wala.
Ayan na, si Jason number 5. Bounce back.
Bantik. 2 points.
Turnover. Sir.
Ayay. Bantik pa din. There's a foul called.
Number 5.
Personal foul.
Again.
First team foul.
Second turnover. Sayang na sayang.
Bantik first shot is good.
Marina again. Marina set the play. Lacson. 40 to shoot.
Second shot is good. 10.
Jersey number 9. First personal foul. First team foul. 12 seconds to shoot.
Same ball.
10 seconds. 5. Wala.
JV. 14 to shoot.
Jersey number 10.
JV 2 points. Babasa 8 ang kalamangan.
15.
Dalawang shorts.
10. Jersey number 28.
Miranda.
That is your first personal foul. Second team foul.
Apat na lang oh.
Walang bonus.
Papelero. No good. Rebound by Renante. Renante.
Pasok. Second.
Papelero. Smart step. No good. Rebound by JB.
Lakto ng rebound.
JB lumipad. Dilapag. Wala. Rebound by number 6. Number 6 pa din. Using his space. No good.
Kailan time out namin?
Bantik. Dalawa pa. Angulo. To Miranda. Easy 2 points. Time out! White team.
Reserve. Time out tayo. Pasok.
Kuya, ikaw na gilid.
Number 1. Offside. JV. 14 to shoot. Renante. Yun lang.
Apat kayo.
Miranda. 2 points.
15.
Biggest lead of the game. 12-point lead. Ay. Time out. Quiz.
Uy! Ganda naman. New Jersey number 28. Bisa mo na. RJ.
Miranda.
Reserve sub ha.
Miranda. Three.
Down to shoot.
Here goes Paul, setting the play.
Ayun na naman. Si Jersey number
Rivera, no good. Agawan ng bola. Nakakuha yan ni JV. Napulot ulit ni Bay.
21-44. Malagalaga na ang kalaban.
Miranda,
Tukas pase. Tulusada.
14 to shoot.
Pasok.
Vinias. Here he goes. Steal.
Jola, that is her second personal foul, 13 foul.
Number 13, turnover. JB's there. JB nilapag. 2 points.
15 to shoot.
13. Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Sila na chest, airball. Naglalambot.
Mahaba ba yan? Let's go, Lakers. Lakers in 5. 10 to shoot. Pocasuela. Vinias. 5 to shoot. Vinias. Vinias. 3 points. Paul. Renante. And 1. Renante doing his best. Buhat na buhat.
Number 28. Jersey number 5.
Boss, receive yung time out, boss.
Wala. Ayan na si
Last time out yun na yan.
Jersey.
Naka-time out na sila, di ba?
Fourth to
Kaya na?
Tukapase. Good. So, binigay value pa ni Kapase.
Traveling violation.
Defense.
Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Score 54-48. 30. 10.
Here goes. Paul.
3.
Rivera. JV. No good. Offensive rebound. Renate, there's a foul called. Number 13.
Relax.
Team foul. Wala pa. Second team foul.
Number 6. Last 15
Paul.
seconds.
No good. Rebound by Dance. By losing the board. 2 points.
Lusada, wala ka rin.
55. JV. 2 shots. Substitution. Pasok ang papasok. Substitution.
1 minute and 21 seconds. Score 56.
2 minutes. Deadlock. Patay oras.
Stop clock.
Quinto oras yun.
Stop clock.
Oh, patay
Okay,
oras.
back to the
Deadlock.
ball game.
Deadlock, di pareho ng ano.
Tatlong tres lang yan.
Tie lock yun.
Shout out kay Jonathan Reese.
Vinias. Last 2 minutes. Number 13, no good. Here goes upside to JB. JB to upside. Open 2. No good. Upside but then there's a foul called.
Titira na tres. 14 seconds. 10.
Wrong. 3. Wala.
Titira na tres si Caliwete for
Renante 10 to shoot.
point.
Renante no good. Agawan ng bola. JB is there. JB pa din. Lumipad and 1 in and out. No good. 2 shots will be granted to JB. Dance. That's your
Menjola.
second personal foul.
Menjola.
Penalty.
14 seconds. 10. To Menjola. Ayaw na naman si Caliwete. 3. Wala. To RJ. Last 20
No good.
seconds. 15 seconds. Wala talaga. 10 seconds.
10 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
10 to shoot.
Congratulations, shooters.
Go. Let's go, Lakers. Paul. JV. Open 3. JV. JV. 3. Lumalaban pa. Lumalaban pa. 12 lang yan. Less than a minute remaining. 12. Good. Rivera. 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 No good. Rebound by Wolf. 24 seconds remaining. Half court shot. Half court shot. Dun, 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 dun. Wala nang shot clock. 15 seconds. JB. JB. 3.
May day yun pang may day.
Number 13. Babawi.
Yes!
Wala. Grabe ang pinakita ni JV and Renante. Binuhat ang team. Pero, it came up short. Congratulations, Kuya.
Best player.
Best player of the game.